Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device has current software and you're signed into your Apple ID. This prevents sync conflicts. Open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac, then tap your profile and choose iCloud. Once there, select Photos to reach iCloud Photos controls. You do this now to stop photos mid-transfer safely. If uploads are happening, pausing from this screen prevents incomplete syncs and avoids creating duplicate files across devices. You now toggle iCloud Photos off or, on iPhone, tap the option to pause for 1 day so current uploads suspend without disabling local access. On Mac, go to Photos, Preferences, iCloud, and uncheck iCloud Photos. This stops new uploads and downloads. Make sure to watch any progress indicators and let any single file transfers finish. Interrupting large files can corrupt uploads. Once paused, your local library remains accessible, while syncing is suspended across devices. To finish, verify the pause by checking the iCloud Photos status in Settings and looking at the devices list to confirm no active transfers. If the status still shows syncing, restart your device to clear stuck processes. That often forces a clean pause. When you're ready to resume, re-enable iCloud Photos. Make sure to monitor for duplicates or missing items. If problems persist, run Photos Repair on Mac or sign out and back into iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.